I may look cute with my jelly stare, but there's fire beneath this cuddly glare. Sweet at first, then I bring the heat.
Okay.
A scorching trap you dare to eat.
You know, I didn't mean none of that. I was just like,
I
oh,
can read it again.
this man's just gone clear.
I think it's some type of fish that's hot.
Fish?
Fish.
Because it's a jelly, I'm thinking.
Jelly and fish.
I don't know if jelly
Nah, you be out there.
is jelly
you
not
reaching.
in the
I
fish
think-
family.
I don't think Destiny's Child was singing about fish when they said, I don't think you're ready for this jelly.
I think it's probably something to do with like a jelly baby or like a sweet that is spicy.
What's with all the spice though, man? Like, look, you can't see I'm sweating out already. Like, allow it. Man. My taste buds, they just need a little break, just a breather. Let it be sweet, please. Just be sweet.
Oh no.
See what I'm talking about? Also, everything's hot.